System Diagnostics is an onboard utility that can test and identify faulty hardware components like memory DIMMs and ports on the system board. Although rare, sometimes a manufacturing defect or damage that is incurred during shipping can result in a non-working component. The failed component must be replaced before you can complete installation and put the system into production use. The System Diagnostics utility identifies failed components and provides information that you need to open a technical support case. Most systems and components install and work as expected. When they do not work, identify and define the failure issues before you contact support about a potential issue. The first step is to isolate the fault. Does the fault lie in the storage controller, the shelves, or the cabling? A system that does not boot either cannot see the root aggregate or NetApp ONTAP software might not be installed on the root aggregate. A system that boots but then crashes and reboots is a serious issue for systems with self-encrypting drives. Stop the boot loop or the drives might become permanently inaccessible. Is the cause a failed hardware component that can be replaced? Troubleshoot all the components along the path that the data or power follows, isolating and testing each component. Is the problem the drives or drive shelves? After you identify the primary issue, finding the specific cause and determining a resolution are easier. System Diagnostics can help to resolve the first two previously mentioned types of failures. The diagnostic tests are disruptive, so the system needs to be offline and at the loader prompt before you run the tests. To start System Diagnostics, from the loader prompt, run the boot_diags command. The table displays the choices that are available on the main menu. You must run the scan system command before you run any tests. The test displays error messages. A review of the log files provides detailed information about the success or failure of each component. Early identification of a faulty component reduces the time required to replace the component so that the storage system can go into production. The next lesson provides details about how to request replacement components.